Your dress determines your success. Brian Tracy Revelations. Imagine this. Your clothing and appearance can determine your success before you even utter a single word. Yes, in only 30 seconds. Today we explore Brian Tracy's shocking revelations about how your personal image can open or close doors in your life. Do not miss it. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to leave your comment and like the video. Now let's get to the point. The first impression. Brian Tracy tells us something crucial. The first impression is formed in the first 30 seconds of meeting someone. This is especially important in professional environments where your appearance can decide your future. Are you presenting yourself the way you really want to? Tracy highlights the importance of dress and grooming not only as a reflection of your own values and professionalism, but also as an essential strategy for positively influencing those who could be key to your career. By presenting yourself in a polished and professional manner, you are not only sending a message about your competence and trustworthiness, but you are also setting a standard for how you want to be treated and perceived in the workplace. Appropriate clothing and a good appearance can open doors and facilitate connections that might otherwise remain closed. So the next time you're preparing for an important gathering, remember that you're packing a lot more than just your outfit. You are carrying your future. The importance of clothing. 95% of the first impression comes from your clothing. We live in a visual world where your clothing not only covers your body, but also tells your story. Is your clothing helping you move forward, or is it standing in the way? According to Brian Tracy, every detail of your outfit communicates something about your personality, your level of professionalism, and even your attention to detail. In the business world, an unkempt appearance can convey a message of disorganization and lack of seriousness. On the other hand, a carefully selected outfit can project confidence and competence, opening doors before you even speak. This is not just a matter of fashion or vanity. It is an essential strategy for anyone looking to succeed and make a mark in their field. Think of your clothing as a personal marketing tool that you can use to your advantage every day. The impact of a good appearance. Dressing well isn't just for interviews. Brian Tracy points out that even for online jobs where no one can see you, dressing appropriately can change the way you perceive yourself and how you project yourself professionally. Even BBC announcers dress formally to radiate professionalism over the airwaves. This practice, according to Tracy, positively influences self-esteem and the energy we transmit in our voices and attitude. It's not just a matter of appearance. It is also a psychological reinforcement that prepares our mind for success and effectiveness. Maintaining a high standard of dress, even in a virtual work environment, fosters a state of mind of discipline and commitment that can translate into more effective results and better time management. In the end, the way we dress for work, whether in person or remote, reflects the respect we have for ourselves and the responsibilities we assume. Taking care of your temple. Tracy also emphasizes that your body is your temple. Good health not only improves your physical capacity but also enhances your mind and emotions. Are you investing in your well-being as much as you should? According to Brian Tracy, taking care of your health is a way to respect yourself and project that same image of respect and self-control toward others. A well-cared-for body facilitates optimal performance in both physical and intellectual tasks. Additionally, self-care reinforces self-perception and can significantly influence how others perceive and treat you. By fueling and exercising your body properly, you are not only maintaining your health, but also cultivating a presence that inspires confidence and professionalism. So, beyond aesthetics, taking care of your body is an essential strategy for anyone who aspires to success and leadership in their professional and personal life. Discipline and healthy habits. Finally, we explored Brian Tracy's advice on physical health. Eat less and move more. Establishing exercise routines, especially in the morning, can transform not only your body but also your mind and emotions. Tracy highlights the importance of consistency in these routines to maximize their benefits. By starting the day with physical activity, you not only increase the energy available during the day, but also improve mental clarity and reduce stress. This type of morning discipline fosters a sense of accomplishment that can positively influence all of the day's tasks. In addition, regular exercise habits and a balanced diet are essential for maintaining good long-term health, which is reflected in greater productivity and a better quality of life. Integrating these habits not only improves physical well-being, but also strengthens emotional and mental resilience, key tools to face daily challenges and achieve success. Conclusion. Today we have learned with Brian Tracy that the image is not superficiality. It is a declaration of intentions. Your appearance and health not only reflect who you are on the outside, but also who you aspire to be on the inside. So take control, take care of both your clothing and your health, and open the doors to your dreams. Has this video inspired you to review your closet or perhaps improve your health habits? Tell us in the comments how you plan to apply these tips in your life. Don't forget to subscribe for more transformative tips. Like if you enjoyed the content and share it to help others transform their image and life. Thanks for watching Magnetic Mind, and until next time.